Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the Enemy. Ngithi uMatsidiso is Matsidisoering. Even if there's such a word, Matsidiso is Matsidisoering. Ask me why. A girl bought sexy lingerie to say to her man, Tada! Umalume wathi ingasaphumi ke leyo izinto ezistoti ke leyo izinto ezistoti nokuphuma nje phakathi kwebhegame la ngiphume nje because yay so nje I don't know ukuthi uMatsidiso seka freaky or ugirl kanjani because iOnoroko was able to do the things that make the post to be done. But girl decided to go to that direction while Velaphi usalwa no Gello. Ugello then asked ukuthi who's this business does the business belong to? Velaphi umtshela no, the business belongs to me. The internet cafe is mine. Even also the Chisanyama was mine before I sold it because I decided to sell the Chisanyama so I can continue with my studies. Hayi wena ugelge wangasaboni uVelaphi njengesithingthing wabona uVelaphi njenge-potential man to be hunted. Hayi wazama i-advance wathi uyamcabuza uVelaphi wamcalla into order what you don't do that. There are boundaries and you need to respect those boundaries. Vele marafala from dala shem uVelaphi since aba baby daddy abuya back to his senses aba right nje indoda nje right eqotho. It looks like uSolomzi after aphoqwe umuntu wakhe he has decided to accept the business and continue with whatever is dealt on his hands, right? So this is the business that we're going to do, so let me just somehow push it because there's no any other way. So he's pushing the business with the parents, with Umam Rebecca, while on the other hand izinto Unka is shipping the business down. He even made a bet in a shop. He made a bet in a tavern engase yakhe ukuthi waphelela laphi kokhalanyo nina ngisho basho kanjalo asazi ke leyo sazoyibona ukuthi iphelela laphi, but we all know ukuthi anyeke iphele kahle because Unka the storyline has not designed him to be a successful person on the show or on the storyline. Then kube indaba ka Uchuma, the only thing that will make him forgive Unolita is if Unolita unalives Rebecca. Unolita thought ukuthi he's just venting wamkhothela ama scripture what you will do what needs to be done. So will Unolita be brave enough to eliminate her mom, because practically Umam Rebecca nje umamakhe they've got a bond that no one can ever understand. What's going to happen? Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Please also watch our previous videos.